A. A for apple. Apple means shape. B. B for basket. Basket means टोकरी. C. C for car. Car means car. D. D for dove. Dove means fakta. E. E for eagle. Eagle means peacock. F. F for fan. Fan means पंखा. G. G for glove. Glove means दस्ताने. H. H for helicopter. Helicopter means helicopter. I. I for iguana. Iguana means Goa. J. J for jackal. Jackal means gidar. K. K for nip. Nip means छुरी. L. L for lock. Lock means ताला. M. M for mug. Mug means mug. N. N for noodle. Noodle means noodles. O. O for oil. Oil means तेल. P. P for pencil. Pencil means pencil. Q. Q for question. Question means सवाल. R. R for ring. Ring means अंगूठी. S. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T. T for tree. Tree means दरख्त. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छतरी. V. V for vase. Vase means फूलदान. W. W for window. Window means खिड़की. X. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y. Y for yarn. Yarn means धागा. Z. Z for zoo. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर.